You walk into the office break room to grab your morning printouts, and sitting right there on the printer tray is an unmarked flash drive. It has no label, no owner in sight. It is human nature to want to know who it belongs to. The fastest way to find out is to plug it into your laptop and check the files. That impulse is exactly what attackers are hoping for. The moment the metal connects to your port, auto-run malware can execute invisibly, spreading from your laptop to the company's file servers and databases. A single decision driven by curiosity can compromise the entire organization. To neutralize these traps before they trigger, you need to follow a specific 3-step protocol. Step 1 is simple: stop. Under no circumstances should an unknown physical storage device touch your workstation. This rule applies to standard USB drives, unapproved external hard drives, random memory cards, and even unknown charging cables that might conceal hidden data transmitters. Even if a device belongs to a familiar coworker or a trusted vendor, you cannot verify where it has been. If it has not been explicitly approved by IT, it carries unacceptable risks. The default assumption is straightforward. If the hardware is not company-issued and actively managed by your security team, it is a physical security risk. Step 2 is check. If you handle digital transfers, you need to know how to spot malicious files. These threats rely on visual deception, mimicking everyday business documents to trick you into clicking them. By default, most operating systems hide file extensions to make the screen look less cluttered. Attackers use this built-in setting to keep their malware hidden. You can strip away this disguise with a quick configuration change. Open your computer's File Explorer and click the View tab at the top of the window. Look across the Settings ribbon to the right and check the box labeled File Name Extensions. This adjustment reveals the true nature of your files. What initially looked like invoice.pdf now shows its full name, invoice.pdf.exe. That double extension shows you are looking at an executable program designed to run code rather than a document meant for reading. Altering this system setting unmasks the digital camouflage attackers rely on to bypass your visual inspection. Now that your extensions are visible, you can properly inspect any unfamiliar directory or unrequested file transfer for red flags. This diagram illustrates what to watch out for. The most immediate threat comes from unexpected executable files, those ending in .exe, often hidden inside folders labeled for payroll or human resources. Next, look for unexpected shortcut files, ending in .lnk. Attackers use these to redirect your clicks to malicious scripts hosted elsewhere. You should also avoid unrequested compressed archives, like .zip files, and pay close attention to any semi-transparent or faded folder icons, which indicate someone is trying to hide data on the system. Never trust a file simply because the icon looks familiar. It is simple for an attacker to paste a Microsoft Word or Adobe PDF logo onto a dangerous file. The absolute rule is this: if you cannot verify the sender and the true extension is suspicious, treat the file as hostile and do not open it. Step 3 is report. If you find a physical device, isolate it immediately. Place the hardware inside a small envelope or container so no one else picks it up. Take that secured device and hand it directly to an authorized member of your IT or security team. Avoid the secondary risk of attempting to bypass this process by copying company data onto your own personal unapproved storage devices to finish your work. Once the physical handoff is complete, or if you have spotted a suspicious file on your network, submit a formal incident ticket. Use a clear, urgent subject line, such as "Suspicious USB found near printer." Formal reporting provides the final layer of defense. It gives the security team the data they need to lock down vulnerabilities and alert the rest of the staff. You now have the skills to neutralize removable media threats. You can physically secure rogue devices, unmask disguised digital traps, and properly log incidents with IT. Stop, check, report. This 3-step protocol is your standard operating procedure for any unknown media or files. Curiosity is a liability when dealing with unknown hardware. When in doubt, leave the device disconnected. Firewalls and security software are only half the battle. The overall safety of the network depends entirely on the daily, disciplined decisions of the people who use it.